Did a quick readjustment of my brake lever, my brake pedal, after I went ahead and I took the lowering kit off for the peg. Right here, when I had bought this bike, this was on. I was too short for it, so what I had to do, take that piece right there off. Just go ahead, basically just go ahead, use your fingers and basically take that off. Clip comes off here, flip it down, pin comes out right here. Now what you're going to want to do after that is loosen that nut right there. Tighten that down. That's your stop, which is connected to your brake light switch. After you get that adjusted to look like that, what you're going to want to do is tighten that back down, come over here, unscrew this until you don't have any play in that right there, because that is connected to a rubber boot up there and you don't want that to fall out, otherwise brakes will leak all over the place. After that gets done, basically after you're sure that there is no play, tighten that back down, put the pin back in, flip her up, put them in like this, and then after that you should be able to just go ahead. You should expect a mild amount of resistance in there, so if there's really no resistance in there, you'll need to go through and redo it again. And that is how you adjust your brake pedal on a R1100RT BMW for the